Hello guys, today isa tayong contractor. No. So, may sasagutin tayong March 2026 MSTC problem ngayon under the topic of construction engineering. Kaya, contractor tayo ngayon. Sheesh! Walang hiya ka talaga, engineer. So, let me lead the problem, no? Let me lead. Let me read the problem, no? Last year, Palm Tree Construction built 100,000 square meters, five-story parking garage for 5,395,621 pesos. The parking garage included one elevator, which cost 126,345 pesos, and its costs are included in the original cost, which is 5,395,621 pesos. Using this information, prepare a preliminary cost estimate for a 95,000 square meter, five-story parking garage with two elevators. It is estimated that costs have risen 3% during the last year. So, ito, yan guys, no? Sa actual book reference ni Sir Dakay. So you can see dollars yan guys. Dollars yan. Kaya, ang liit ng ginawa nating pesos. Kasi pesos to nung lumabas sa board exam. Pero dollars yan sa actual libro. Tapos square foot. Under actually to sa square foot estimates. Pero dito, ginawa natin square meters kasi yan yung gamit natin. Okay? Gamit sa boards. So ito yan guys. Kunwari, ito yan. Yung 5-story parking garage. So meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stories. Imagine lang guys na 100,000 square meters yan. Kasi ang liit to picture. Imagine lang 100,000 square meters yan. Tapos meron yang isang elevator daw. Merong isang elevator dyan. No? Merong isang elevator. Tapos yung gusto nating gawin, no? Yung sabi ni client, 95,000 square meters daw. Tapos 5-story parking garage. Eh di ba same lang nito nang na-construct natin before. Tapos dalawang elevators daw. Eh yung nagawa natin before is only one elevator, no? So you'll see in our solution how paano natin yan atakihin, no? So ito yung mga choices. So una, determine the cost per square meter for no elevators. Bakit no elevators, guys? 'Di ba ito yung original cost natin? Tapos meron tayong cost sa pag-construct ng isang elevator. Sa pag-construct yan, guys, marami na yung factors. Meron kayong labor, no? Meron kayong material cost, equipment cost. Madami pa yung mga indirect cost. So, alam natin na ito yung cost ng isang elevator talaga, no? So, alam ko yung tanong nyo, engineer. Mhm. Bakit hindi na lang natin i-add ng isa pang elevator? No. So 539,561 plus 126,345. Bakit hindi natin i-add na lang para maging pareha na nito? Eh kasi guys, ito yung total cost na ng lahat-lahat including ng elevator. No. Pag gagawa kasi tayo ng isa pang elevator, magbabago yan guys. Hindi yan exact na ito din. Kasi meron na tayong mga labor, meron na tayong mga equipment and other construction needs, no? So, di dapat yan ina-add. Yung gagawin natin is i-minus natin yan. Tapos i-divide natin sa total foot area niya, which is 100,000 square meters. Kaya, yung cost per square meter ng original construction natin, no, nung natayo na, is 52.69 per square meter. Sheesh! Mas mahal pa yung gasolina. Kasi guys, again, dollars to. Dollars to sa actual problem. Kaya dito sa atin, 52.69. Kung ganito lang ka cheap, magtayo ng bahay guys. Meron na akong 10 floors na bahay ngayon. So, next no, let's determine the cost. Nito nang gusto ni client. 95,000 square meter na 5-story garage with no elevators muna. Kasi no elevators kasi to, yung una natin. So yung kukunin lang natin is a footing area lang na estimation. So alam natin na ito yung per square meter, gagamitin natin lang siya para makuha natin yung cost ng 95,000 square meter with no elevators. So yung makukuha natin is 5,05,550 pesos. No? So ito na yung cost natin with no elevators. And ngayon, kasi again, kailangan natin ng 2 elevators, guys. So, let's add na the cost of 2 elevators. So, uy, engineer, bakit nag-add ka na dyan? Eh, kanina sabi mo hindi pwede. Dito kasi guys, di pa to natayo. Estimation natin to. Estimation. So, we have to make the elevator cost fixed na 126,345. Then, we multiply it by 2 elevators, no? Kaya, i-add natin yan sa footprint lang na cost. So, yung total cost natin is 5,258,240. So, ito na ba yung sagot, guys? Hindi pa. Hindi pa. Kasi kating-kati si Trump bumomba sa Iran eh. Tapos ang kurap pa ng Pinas, kaya meron tayong inflation. Ano yung inflation natin, guys? That's 3%. 3%, paano ba yan i-adjust? Ganito lang, 1.03. Ano ba yung 1.03? That's basically just 100% plus 3%, no? Ano ba to in numerical form or decimal form, 'di ba? That's 1 plus itong 3%, that's basically 0.03. Kaya magiging 1.03 yan. Yan yung i-multiply natin sa cost na nakuha natin sa pag-estimate, no, ng 95,000 square meter 5-story garage with 2 elevators na. So if we multiply that, yung makukuha natin is 5,415,987.20 pesos. So, as you can see guys, wala sa choices. Kasi estimation to. Estimation to, alangan naman ito talaga yung ibibigay mo. So, yung sagot natin dapat is ito. Itong C. 5,420,000. So, sa actual practice guys, meron talaga yung percentage, no? For um, actual approximation na i-add nyo. Pero dito kasi, sa choices lang tayo bumabase. Tapos yung closest niyan is itong 5,420,000. So yan na yung sagot. 1 point ka na sa MSTC. So that's it. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on my other platforms. See you in the next video.